If you're searching for the perfect home, this one checks all the boxes. It's gonna make you wanna cancel all your other showings and see this home now. Welcome to a move-in ready masterpiece, set on a premium north-south 13,000 square foot lot, just steps from the community park and minutes from shopping, dining, and top-rated schools. Inside, you'll find soaring 10-foot ceilings, a smart split floor plan with 4 bedrooms plus den and 3.5 baths. The open concept kitchen is perfect for entertaining, featuring a massive island, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and a tiled backsplash. A huge great room, walk-in closets in every bedroom, and a 4-car garage with upgrades throughout. This home checks every box. Step out back to a private oasis with a refreshing play pool, Baja step, in-ground cleaning system, and travertine patio perfect for lounging and entertaining. You also love the putting green, artificial turf, and gas stub out for your future outdoor kitchen dream. But the real showstopper is this backyard. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Schedule your private tour now.